Yeah, I see you on video. Yeah. Got this boy back out. Been put up for a minute. Still got a little couple things to do to it, like that trim. Pretty clean though, man. Just a little factory repaint from Mako. That's all. Finna put it back through the washer one more time. Look at that top. Got a little glare though, but she pretty clean though for a 1982 Regal. You dig? Pretty clean. Coming from where I'm from in the Chi, you don't see cars like this clean. They be ate up. Check it out. Don't pay no attention to the door panel. I got that in the back. Everything's still all original, just like I said. A little radio in there. Need a new headliner. Look at them back seats. Plush. Can't get it no better than that. Next video, you're gonna hear them gorillas coming out the trunk. Stay up.